How many of you love your Tinyhawk but hate the fact that it can't freaking turtle mode? Like, what's the use of having a tiny whoop that can't turtle mode? Well, here's the answer, guys. Here's one of the answers, by the way. So what Emacs has done, they have come up with a version of the Tinyhawk that has 16,000 kV motors. I think these are 15,000. And that will spin your 3-blade prop a lot faster and probably make you able to turtle mode. However, I find 4-bladed props quite interesting because this guy over here, my Snapper 7 rebuild, he originally had these really small 3-blade props. When I switched to these, it was like a day and night difference. The performance, the handling went really like sky high. It was really nice. So I think for these guys, 4-bladed props are the way to go. However, traditionally, 4-bladed props puts more load on your motor, therefore you end up with less flight time. So what I have found with this guy is performance has gone up really, I wouldn't say it's a drastic, it feels, it flies pretty much the same, but you get a lot more like the bottom end of the throttle. Like when you hover, it's like, used to hover at mid stick, now it's like a little below mid, so you get more resolution on the lower end of the throttle, which is absolutely great. You can pull out of dives. You'll see my moves here in a second, but I was surprised that this is a 1S quad doing this, and a 1S quad that is not even high volt charged. I regular charge these batteries just to make sure I can have them last a bit longer. Anyway, guys, check out this flight and see how this performs. There's not much information on the internet as to how these actually perform. They just said, oh, there are these turtle mode props, and that's it. So have a look, guys. I think this is a great upgrade. I can't say for sure, but I think that having 4-bladed props on these kV motors is going to be a better deal than having higher kV motors. I could be wrong, but the higher kV I think is going to burn more battery than putting on a 4-bladed prop. I could be wrong, I'm just thinking that, but anyway, it really handles extremely nice. My favorite 1S quad, hands down, guys. Alright, enjoy!
It's not easy, I understand, but let's just enjoy the